Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing hosting and a domain so the site can live online. Pick a host that supports PHP 8 or higher and provides SSL and backups. This prevents headaches later. Once the domain is pointed to your server, use your host's one-click installer to deploy WordPress. After install, log in, update permalinks to /%postname%/ and create an admin account. Now you have the foundation. Next, we'll add e-commerce functionality and design the store. Once WordPress is ready, install a lightweight theme built for WooCommerce and create a child theme so customizations survive updates. Then install and run the WooCommerce setup wizard. Select currency, set shipping zones and methods, and configure tax rules based on your location. Add product categories, attributes, and a few sample products. Connect payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal and enable test mode to simulate transactions. Make sure images are optimized and product pages are clear. This before launching, optimize performance. Add a caching plugin, compress images, and optionally enable a CDN to reduce page load times. Harden security by installing a security plugin, enforcing strong admin passwords, and scheduling off-site backups. Do a full test purchase in live or test mode and verify order emails and inventory updates. If checkout fails, check gateway logs and browser console for JavaScript or CORS errors. Disable newly added plugins to isolate conflicts. Once smooth, switch payment to live mode and announce your store.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.